You to the tube. What up, friends, family? It's your boy Keeks, the Cultureholic, aka KTC. And it's Friday, and a good Friday at that. Alright, I know the title of this video said Uptempo Denim, but real quick, sidebar. But sidebar for a second. Damn it, Kanye. Damn it, Kanye. I always take L's on Adidas's website. So by the time you guys see this video, Yeezy Day should be over, or it should be almost over. So drop in the comment section if you guys picked up something pretty cool. Oh, also, right now I'm at the post office dropping off a little package. If you guys don't follow Jumpman Bostic on IG or YouTube, make sure you guys give him a follow. This box that I'm dropping off has something to do with that, so you'll get more details once you follow his channel and follow his IG. The title of this video says, without further ado, it's time for the Uptempo Denim. Let's go. All right, the Air Uptempo, most famously worn by Scottie Pippen, Michael Jordan's right-hand man. The huge Air logo on the side was actually inspired by Andy Warhol. If you don't know who he is, take some time to look him up. The shoe was made for bigger guards like Pippen and Penny Hardaway. So it's designed for a lot of jumps and fallbacks. It's revolutionary because it was one of the first shoes to utilize the air technology all the way through the shoe. And since '96, it's been released probably like a jillion times in all different colorways and styles. And also they had like a Supreme collab too. That was pretty cool. But this has always been one of those iconic shoes, known for that huge air that's on the side. So I mean, from a distance, you see somebody wearing those, you know exactly what those are. And you know, these kind of, I don't think these will probably fly off shelves, but it's just a classic shoe like the Uptempo. It's always a cool one to have in your closet. As always, gang, thank you for your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And shout out to the TSB gang. And remember, wear what you like, hype what you love, and in the words of my favorite rapper, peace and much love to you.
Never knew what I'd find in them drawers. I miss it. Real cool, fresh sneakers. Go to the store, try on them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.